NLP, and in this video we'll see how we can use media query for different devices on website. So the first question is what media query is and why do we use it. So media query lets us to handle the website depending upon the layout of the screen and the screen size. So in short, it makes our website responsive depending upon the screen size. So this is our first example for mobile devices that are portrait. We use min width as 769 pixel, and then here we'll pass our CSS. So let us try an example. Here we have used media query 768 pixel, and it will add the background color and change the font size depending upon the mobile device's screen. And these are some examples for mobile devices that are landscape. Here the min width is 768 and max width is 1023 pixel. Same for the tablets, and inside it we'll pass our CSS. And now we have the screen size for small desktop or large tablets, which is min width as 1024 pixel and max width as 1199 pixel. For desktop we have min width as 1200 pixels, and inside it we'll pass our custom CSS. We also have media query for high DPI displays, and we use WebKit min device pixel ratio and min resolution for it. Also we have it for print styles. We use @media and print. For custom breakpoints we pass it like this, min width as 900 pixel. And for landscape and portrait orientation, this is how we do it. We pass orientation, whether landscape or portrait. Also we have for accessibility screen readers and media screen and max width as 1 pixel. So it sets for screen as well as the width size. And this is how we combine different media queries.